Welcome to Newfoundland, a rugged island where the Atlantic crashes into towering cliffs, where colorful fishing villages cling to the shoreline, and where the warmth of the people is as unforgettable as the land itself. From endless trails and wild coastlines to rich culture and history, Newfoundland is a place like no other, raw, untamed, and waiting to be explored. This is Newfoundland.
Billy and I have been planning this trip to Newfoundland for quite some time, and we were really excited to finally be here. Our initial plan was to take our Can-Ams from Ontario and get them shipped over here to Newfoundland, but as you can imagine, that's a logistical nightmare and cost quite a few dollars. So we had opted to borrow my dad's 2019 Can-Am Outlander 1000, as well as his brand new Defender. And of course, he didn't want to miss out on the adventure. So my dad and his buddy Paul came along with us, and we're having an awesome day. We're out here in the Avalon Reserve, I suppose they call it, the peninsula here in Newfoundland, and it's absolutely gorgeous, man. These trails, like every frickin' turn is just like takes your breath away, you know. And I would say there's 1,000 different, they call them ponds, but to us, you know, from Ontario, they're lakes for, you know, small lakes, but there's about 1,000 of them. What a pretty little forest. Very mossy and lots of water in this trail, which is kind of surprising with the fires they had here. But yep, no water. I got my feet up now. I got no waders on. Yeah. So pretty. They're not going to attempt driving down that. That's a Trailside first, crab sandwich. Haven't had one of those on the trail before.
Nope.
Can't get it to focus. There it is. Oh, there.
You see it?
Yeah, open it up, Billy. Ooh, look at all that crab meat. Compliments of Labrador gems.
Delicious.
Yeah, pretty out here, isn't it, Billy?
Mm-hmm.
Gorgeous trails.
Amazing.
Well, the weather took a little bit of a turn. Wind rolled in, the temperature really dropped here. But yeah, we're still rolling. We're on the power line here now, and it's, again, just beautiful. And in every direction, just gorgeous. And everywhere you look, there's just water somewhere. Well, we've got a beautiful lunch spot, don't we, Billy? Cook up some scallops. It's pretty windy out here. Hard from there.
Move the pan.
What do you need me to do?
Nothing, Chris. Let's just do this.
Look at that. See? Just bring a billy, bud.
Mint. Look at that.
Look at that.
No, that's good for cooking.
Oh,
Yeah, great.
oh, you left me. Brutal.
I didn't see. I got my hat on. I didn't see.
I was like-
I lost my field of vision.
I had like a huge one ready.
Oh, come back and give it to me, bud. Oh, oh my God. Oh, my shoulder hurts tomorrow. I'll fucking know why. Let's get some butter in that pan. Oh, buddy, the smell of these smells like the ocean. They're so sweet too. Are you a big scallop guy? You ever even had scallops?
I've had them, but not enough to say I remember
Okay, that's fair.
everything, you know?
Yeah. Color on them, that's surprising. Look at that. Today's Trailside Lunch is brought to you by Labrador Gem Seafood Company, a Newfoundland and Labrador seafood company that prides themselves on offering a variety of locally sustained and wildly harvested seafood, from crab and lobster to shrimp and scallops. Headquartered in St. John's, Newfoundland, they do ship all across Canada, so if you are on the market for some beautiful products from the ocean, I highly recommend checking out Labrador Gem Seafood Company. All right, Billy, let's dig in here. Be warm. Let's see your first Newfoundland scallop there, buddy. Sweet. Oh yeah. How you beat that? I don't know why we're not doing this at home. We should be eating scallops at home on the trail, man. Instead of frickin' weenies. A bunch of weenies, eh? Look at that, man. So first we have crab sandwiches and now fried scallops out on the trail. Can't beat that. We're just finishing up and ready to go hit the trail again. We're not too sure where we're headed, although we do have a general idea. Going up towards Brigus on the, what do you call it, the rail trail, I guess, the way we would call it, or the international trail, or whatever the hell.
Clarenville Brigus Rail Trail section.
Yeah, okay,
That's what it's labeled.
Yeah, there you go. What he said. So we're off. Some good ground. Every time we get to these like marsh areas, I'm looking for moose. Haven't seen one yet though, but man, is it ever beautiful out here.
How do you beat a trip like this? Hanging out with one of your best buddies, doing the thing you love most, touring all over a beautiful province on some pretty badass machines. Newfoundland is a province like no other. Endless trails, towering cliffs, and the smell of the ocean perfuming the air. We really hope you enjoy this video as much as we did making it.